Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location
And nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.3, which is the excellent. Category 1, you can see on the screen details like size, bedtime, Wi-Fi, facilities, amenities, and activities, etc. Category 2,
category 3,
category 4,
category 5,
category 6, category 7, category 8.
Next, to discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen,
In this resort, all type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m.
And checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m.
There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.
If you have any problem booking this hotel, then you can drop a note on the email. For more details about this hotel, please go to the description. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comment.